Right. See, when you hover it, it changes the color of the background, conditionally renders the CSS. Actually, the class. See here, when I hover it, it adds the class and removes the class. Right. I'm gonna show you a library that makes the front-end developers' life easier, so much easier. Like this, what it does is actually adds and removes classes conditionally. So I'm gonna show you a sample. By the way, this is the GitHub page of this. 15,000 stars. Right, I'm gonna show you a sample here. I have created a Next.js project, a brand new project. I'm gonna run it now. Full host. Right, this is the page. I'm gonna open it in the side. Right, I'm gonna remove this stuff and add some of my tags here, some of my components here. Let's do that right now. Go to index.js. Right, I have removed all of this, and I'm gonna write my own component here. I'm using Tailwind, by the way. Don't have to worry about it. You can use normal CSS as well. Right, I've made a div here and styled it. I'm gonna add some content here. Let's say I have made a component here. But what I'm gonna do is actually add some classes conditionally to make this change on hover or something. Let's create a state here. Right, I have created a use state here for hovering. When I hover, it should be true. I'm gonna set the events for that. But I have added two events. One is on mouse or on mouse leave, and it would change according to hovering of my mouse. It would change this variable. Let's see it in log. Hovering, go to console. Right, it works. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the package to this project like this. Yarn add class names. We can use npm as well if you are using npm and run it back. Right, and now I'm gonna import class names. Right, now I'm gonna use a class name here. I'm gonna actually copy this code and then add class name method here, and then add the previous class names. It shouldn't change anything. It will stay the same because all the classes are same, and we can see the classes are already here. It didn't change. It didn't change actually. Right, now what we can do is we can conditionally render some class to this. Let's see. Let's say background gray 600, and if the hovering is true. Right, what it does is when you hover on this, the hovering variable would be true, and then this class will be added. You can see here. Let me close this. You can see here when I hover this. Sorry, this one. When I hover this, it gets added. The class gets added automatically. This is the power of this, and we can apply these events to this div as well. And then when we hover this, the background will change. Okay. Right, and there are a lot of stuff you can do with class names package. Go to their website and you will see a bunch of documentation stuff. This is what we tried now. See, when this state is true, this class name will be added, and if it's false, this will be removed. Right, you can read it. You can search class names on Google. You'll find this page. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. That's pretty much it. See you guys in another video. Like the video if you liked it. Thank you.